Tiana's channel. Let's learn together.
Princess Tiana and the Magical Frog Adventure. Once upon a time in New Orleans, there lived a young lady called Tiana. She loved to cook with her father in their kitchen and make wishes on the evening star. One warm evening, Tiana sat on her windowsill, gazing up at the bright evening star. She closed her eyes and whispered, "Starlight, star bright, grant my wish tonight. Let my dream come true." The star twinkled extra brightly, as if it heard her. Little did Tiana know that her life was about to change forever. Tiana enjoyed to walk through the bayou, laughing when fireflies would dance around her. One day, while exploring the bayou, Tiana met a talking frog named Naveen. He was under a magical spell and needed a kiss from a princess to turn back into a prince. Tiana kissed him, but because she was not a princess, guess what? She turned into a frog too. Now, as two frogs, Tiana and Naveen hopped through the swamp, met fireflies, and even danced on water lilies. They sang jazz tunes all night long and befriended Louie the alligator. But a wicked witch wanted to take over New Orleans. She cast spells to make the city gloomy and sad. The flowers wilted, the jazz music stopped, and people lost their smiles. Tiana and Naveen, together with all the fireflies and Louie the alligator, walked through the streets singing happy jazz songs. Song and happiness broke the curse, and all the city's people came out to celebrate. Happy, Tiana and Naveen kissed again, and a miracle happened. They transformed back into humans. They were now prince and princess. They both loved to cook, so they opened their restaurant, Tiana's Place. They served gumbo and beignet, jambalaya, and red beans and rice with bananas Foster as dessert. Tiana would cook in her beautiful kitchen, and people from all walks of life came to enjoy their gumbo, jazz, and laughter. Tiana learned that sometimes wishes come true in unexpected ways. She now was a chef and a princess, and everyone loved her.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.